Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to install PPSSPP on iOS 16 easily. You will need a computer to proceed with the installation. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Visit the official website on sideloadly.io and download to your computer. It's available on both Mac and Windows laptop. App links are provided in description below. Install and open Sideloadly. Now download PPSSPP emulator on their official website. Then select PPSSPP iOS file and download PPSSPP IPA. Then drag to downloaded PPSSPP IPA file onto the Sideloadly impactor window. After drag the file, place your Apple ID. After entering your Apple ID, click on Start to begin the installation process on your iPhone. Wait for the process to complete. Once the installation is finished, go to your iPhone settings, navigate to General, scroll down and select Device Management. Find the developer profile associated with PPSSPP and trust it. Now PPSSPP has been installed on your iPhone. You can find the app on your home screen. Open it to start playing PSP games on your iOS device. You are now ready to play PSP games on your iPhone or iPad using PPSSPP. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.